We will have more examples in this video. For example, you can consider number of packets in a point-to-point communications, or you could consider a connected computer to internet, how many packets the computer transmits or receives. Through this connection, you could send and receive information, data, voice, and so on. Information is random, data random, voice is random, number of packets. So you could assign lots of different applications. So information in the packets are variable size. The size of the packet is random. The time of the packet, the number of packets is sent or received through your communication network is random in unit of time. You could consider this random experiment. We count the number of packets n in a particular unit of time. And so on. So you could have physical examples, for instance, position of electron around the center of atom in hydrogen, or how they move, their speed, their location, their acceleration. For instance, Heisenberg principle says that it is not possible to determine both the position and the momentum of the electron with absolute accuracy. So this theorem is basically a theorem in probability. So it's kind of about the distribution of that. That is to say simply that all physical phenomena or engineering variables or medical and so on, they could be characterized by random variables and randomity. Now, the concept of a complex random variable z equal x plus jy, this one has no distribution because you could not say the event z is smaller than or equal some numbers, because the order equality is only defined for the set of real numbers. Therefore, we have to learn the concept of real complex random variable when we will learn about two random variables x and y, and basically a complex random variable is nothing more or less than a pair of random variables. So we'll learn this more in next chapters. So the distribution function for the complex random variable is just the joint distribution of x and y, which we will learn it in next chapters. So when we learn about more than one variable.